Hi, welcome to Bit.ai, the world's most powerful wiki and document collaboration platform. In this video, we'll show you how you can quickly create smart, interactive Bit documents and wikis. The first thing you need to do is create a new document inside any workspace. Click on Create New. You can select a blank document, choose a template, or import a document. For this tutorial, we'll start with a blank document. Once you're inside a document, follow these 7 pointers to get started. Number 1, let's start typing. To format your text, simply highlight your text and choose from different formatting options. Make your text bold, italicize it. You can play with header options. Use strike through. Highlight your text. Hyperlink your text, or interlink to other documents in your wiki. Create bullet lists, numbered lists, create check marks for a quick to-do list, add inline comments, and mention a collaborator you've added to this workspace. Number 2, click on any blank line of your Bit document and you'll see a plus button. You can activate the widget menu by clicking this plus button or by typing / on the blank line. Let's type / and add images, files, rich embeds, tables, dividers, code blocks with syntax highlighting, math equations, hint blocks, signatures, access your asset library, or access your cloud integrations. All of the widgets you add will have 3 dots on the top left corner. Click on that icon to customize your widget, or click on the 3 dots to drag and drop your widget. Number 3, go to a blank line and type @ to activate Bit's AI Genius Writing Assistant. Use AI Genius to create custom templates, create outlines, answer questions, assist with research, and much more. Number 4, go to a blank line in your document and paste a web link URL. Bit.ai will automatically convert your web link into a visual bookmarklet that you can adjust and customize further. Or a rich embed will be displayed depending on the type of content you're adding. You can add shareable links from YouTube, Google Sheets, Airtable, Typeform, Loom videos, and 80+ different applications. Bit.ai automatically makes the information you add in a document beautiful. Number 5, you can turn any Bit document into a wiki by clicking on the Wiki button on the top left navigation bar. It'll open up a panel where you can add subpages and build out a wiki tree. Number 6, on the top navigation bar, click on the settings icon to open up a menu that lets you do a lot more with your document. Customize fonts, adjust colors, choose from themes, export your document as a PDF file, Word file, Markdown, EPUB, or TXT file. Ping collaborators to quickly have them join you. You can also lock documents to prevent edits, check your word count, use the version history, and much more. Number 7, click the Share button on the top bar to share your document or wiki. You can share it as a live link, embedded on a website, or share a trackable link. To recap, 1. Start typing and highlight your text to format it. Interlink bit docs and make comments. Number 2. Add any URL on a blank line. Number 3. Click anywhere on a blank line and type / to activate the widget menu. Search and add images, files, tables, dividers, code blocks, math equations, signatures, content from your asset library, and access your cloud integrations. Number 4. Type @ on a blank line to activate AI Genius Writing Assistant. Number 5. Click on the wiki icon to create subpages and turn your bit doc into a bit wiki. Number 6. Click on the settings button to do more with your bit document. Number 7. Click on the share button to share your document or wiki with the outside world. Bonus tip. Click the question mark on the sidebar to access the keyboard shortcuts. Learn how to do undo, redo, add lines below widgets, add lines above widgets, add emojis, and much more. Share this video with your teammates and help them get up and running quickly. We recommend that you continue going through our Bit Academy to get the most out of this robust platform. Have fun bringing your team and clients into the future with Bit.ai. To learn more about Bit.ai, go to our Bit Academy. Bit.ai, the world's most powerful document and wiki collaboration platform.